you guess? If you have a clue, make a comment down below.
Here's a clue. What's in the bag?
It's big and it's heavy. So what can we have inside?
A jar of something.
You know, oh, you think that?
And still a couple places closed today.
Yeah, so many.
There's one of the wagons, I think, is going to the same
I
place.
think so.
But that's the wrong stuff.
Not the right,
No.
it's not that quality I want.
No.
We take his back. Come on, come on. The last thing on the menu. Or maybe here we are.
Kuala, chicken chunk.
And I think I can say that that is Malaysian's finest meatballs.
Yeah. Incredible nice.
It's delicious.
Now I have to stand in line.
Yeah. See, we have a queue here.
Ah, perfect.
I don't have to choose here because I know what I want. You know? Have you been here?
Easy to make a choice. Meatballs and the mashed potatoes.
Maybe we can get the boiled vegetables today.
I think we're a little bit early today again, because when we we walked out the last time and they got the boiled vegetables as well. So.
Wait for some.
Huh?
It's not finished. We have to wait.
Yeah, no problem.
Cheers. Yeah.
No problem. But you can. The meatballs have a spoon. And okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. We got spaghetti, the carbonara.
You have tried that one?
Yeah.
It was delicious.
Super good. And macaroni, mac and cheese maybe. Grilled chicken. Jumbo sausage. The meatballs.
One,
Mashed potatoes.
two, I go for 3 scoops.
Perfect. 3 scoop lady.
3 scoops. And how many? 1, 2, 3.
That's enough.
No.
That's enough. 7.
No. Yeah.
And 4 plus 3. When I was in school, it was 7. Haven't changed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect.
Mm.
No, I take that one.
Yeah. Nice. I will try the mashed potatoes.
You squeeze it together.
What?
You squeeze it together.
I don't know.
No. Push it.
I'm not a good meatball.
Yeah. Get out the last piece of it.
Nice.
How many do you go for?
I will go for
8.
1, 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 and extra sauce.
Yeah, I took that too. Because I like it.
I like my coleslaw. Perfect. Just push the plate down. Perfect.
Yes. And I go for
Juice.
Can I do this with one hand? Yes, I could.
And
And 2.
Which table do you want?
I'll go over with this.
And 2 juice.
What for så? Have the napkin. Have the napkin. Put your hair.
Come here.
Amazing.
Super nice. In the bag. What do we have in the bag?
You forgot the spoon.
Have it over here? Yes, I think so.
And why do we need the spoon?
I don't know. You're the spoon lady. You like to play with the spoon.
Here it is.
Yeah. Super good. I like the coleslaw. Nice lingonberries. Wow.
I have to stir it around.
Mix.
Mix. Some lingonberries right in the gravy. Or do you want it?
On my plate. Yeah.
Lingonberries.
Yeah. Must have with the meatballs.
Want more?
Oh, perfect.
No. This is a perfect plate. Look at this. This is how one.
Thumbnail time.
Yeah, I think we have to.
Good. Thumbnail. Nice. Looks delish.
It is delicious.
Mm.
And we know that
Yeah.
because we have eaten here before several times.
What this is? Third, fourth time maybe? I don't know.
So many times.
Yeah.
The jar is almost, look at this, it's nothing left.
Oh, perfect. And we have, sometimes we have the lingonberries on our oatmeal as well. That's crazy good with milk and all.
I like that. Yeah, this meatball is so much better like this.
Yeah. Both the meatballs and the mashed potatoes and the brown sauce as well.
Everything.
Yeah.
And some of you guys said that you should go here and eat. Have you been here?
Yeah, hope you have. It's a nice little nook here.
Yeah. And now you can find your way in.
Yeah.
We showed it. I showed it properly today.
It's crazy good.
And we are eating here today because we have so many things. And we we are leaving here now.
Yeah, just a few days left there, so.
I can understand this whole
We will definitely be back to KL. But when, we don't know. How, we don't know.
No.
Yeah.
We will be back.
Yeah.
And
Have we told them where we're going after KL? I don't think so.
no.
So, let's have a guessing game again. If you know where we're going, or where do you think we're going after this? We're going east side, of course. But where to?
Yeah.
So
The
guess.
first one who guessed right, we're gonna pin that comment.
Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
I like his coleslaw as well.
And we have to put this one before we go, before we leave them.
Yeah, we have to.
Yeah. That wasn't in the plan,
No?
but we have to do now.
Yeah.
And
Maybe Sunday we can put it up.
yeah, we always have to change our plans because we don't have any like plans. We just go with the flow.
11 minutes in, shall we say bye-bye and come back?
We just eat meatballs.
Yeah. You know the drill. A meatball,
We eat
some
them.
lingonberries on it,
Yeah.
and shove it down.
Mm. Oh, now we have the broccoli.
Yeah. When we paid up, the other guy brought the broccoli.
Mm.
Oh,
I don't mind.
no. More meatballs.
More meatballs for me.
Yeah. Tomorrow we eat the veggies.
Yeah. I have veggies here in the jam.
Very sweet veggies.
Yeah. So we are Janana, my lovely husband Dan, I'm Anna, and we just eat, travel, hiking. So be sure to follow us.
Bye bye. We'll be back.
Free refill.
And empty plates.
So empty and
Empty lingonberry jar. Oh. So no more lingonberries.
no more lingonberries.
No. I don't remember if we said the price. Today it was 44 ringgits. So perfect price at the perfect place.
A lot of food.
A lot of food. You choose your own amount of food because you have scoops with the mashed potatoes and every meatball is.
But 3 big scoops and 7 meatballs and 3 large spoons of lingonberries. Is a meal. The perfect amount of money, of food.
Yeah.
And for the money, of course.
Yeah. Super tasty.
Yeah. We will be back again, and we will be back to this place.
Definitely we're back here. This is a nice place as well. So, and in the city center, so it's nice. Visma Mall for your new guys, and you can look in the beginning of the video how we walked here. So it's nice.
And this is chicken shop station. Chicken shop station.
Chicken shop
Is
station.
there more chicken shop stations around Malaysia?
I don't know.
And do they have the same food?
I'm no expert.
I'm not asking you. I'm asking you.
So tell us, chicken chop station. Is it all over Malaysia or just here in KLCC?
And is it the same menu?
Yeah, if it yes.
We don't know.
No.
Tell us. And thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all thumbs ups and all comments, all suggestions.
Yeah. We film the food again when we go out because let's fill
can do that.
Fill up with some food, I think. Yes, guys, enjoying super loud. Coleslaw. Now they have the boiled veggies.
Yeah, we missed them every time because we are always early. And I took the
Super good food. And
Thank you so
again,
much.
and chicken chop station.
Do we go out the same way?
Oh, we can go out this way.
The other way?
Because here are some Chinese stalls as well, so we have eaten on a few of these as well. So, a nice little place. And if you want to cut your hair after the meatball, go here. I don't know. I haven't cut my hair in many years.
No more lingonberries.
So what do we do? How can we get some more lingonberries without going to IKEA?
Maybe you can buy some frozen lingon here? No.
I don't think so. I don't think so. But thank you for coming along, guys.
Yeah. Wait, just wait a minute. I have to. Oh. Now, now it's better.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for all the comments.
Yeah, and thank you for all new subscribers and all of you old subscribers who are still watching our videos. Let's come along and let's do the east side of Malaysia.
And hiking, finally.
And what sort of food treasures can we find on the east side? And can we find a beautiful waterfall? I haven't swum in a waterfall for a long time, so I'm longing for a great waterfall. So see you around, guys. Thank you.
Bye.